Years later.
Hi guys. Ang ganda light. Hi guys, welcome back to my dad's YouTube channel. So for today's video, we're going out and this is a vlog takeover.
Wow naman!
Pag-retouch. Papanawin natin. Surok. Uy! For today, may pupuntahan kami. Ayoko na mag-English. Pupuntahan kami. Magbo-bowling and then manonood ng Deadpool tsaka Despicable Me. Diyan yung Uber. Transition. Let me see. Deadpool.
11:30.
And then
Despicable Me, 11:40. Muna tayong 10 minutes.
that's what you guys are gonna watch. What time is it? Time check. 11. Papa, I'm hungry.
What? Yeah, I know.
Papa, I'm hungry. Papa.
Yeah, I know.
Huwag kayo bibili ng ganyan dyan, mahal.
Ano, may Aldi. Bili tayo ng drink sa Aldi.
So, I've been here multiple times. First is a school trip, and then second is for my mentoring.
By the way you stare, the way you wrote upon me, yeah.
Bruh.
Kuya.
Oh yeah.
We're going Aldi's to buy some drinks kasi ang mahal sa loob. Because our time for for the movie 11:30. Tapos yung Despicable Me 11:40 pa. 11:07 pa lang. Harper, can I have one? I want the other one, strawberry.
Hi.
Vlog takeover to guys. The other side, grapes, chocolate,
Bruh.
we bought nachos and then ice cream. And then we bought our drinks outside kasi mahal dito dahil. Do you guys have cookies and cream? Cookies and cream. Vanilla then? 2.
Ano?
Vanilla.
Vanilla also 1 scoop.
1 scoop lang.
2 scoop vanilla.
Gusto ko ng cookie dough. Kasi matigas daw yung dough. Hindi doon lang scoop. Ba yan? So, vanilla tayo.
So, okay guys, see you.
We have to go inside now. What time is it? Anong time na pa? Time check. 11:26. So,
4 minutes na
punta
lang.
na kami
Kami.
doon.
Kayo, 15 minutes.
Baka 2 hours ba yun? Yung movie? Yeah, 2 hours yung movie. So, update na lang kayo. Kasi bawal mag-video sa loob.
30 minutes na.
Bye!
One eternity later.
Bruh.
What's your comment, Papa?
Ganda. Katawa.
Comedy yung pinanood namin, hindi Marvel. Comedy. It's 2:10 na. Gano'n katagal mo? 11 tayo pumasok. 11:30. 2 hours. Tapos magbo-bowling pa kami. Bowling ba agad? Pa? Bowling ba agad? Yan kami kakain sa Pizza Hut. Pizza Hut. Our Papa opened the door.
Bruh.
Hangat na lighting. Wait lang, order kami. So, how is the movie? What do you mean? Good.
Bruh.
Di pa naman ba yung Despicable 1 to 1? Only 1 and 2. Pinapanood ko rin kasi yun. Kaso, hindi ko rin napanood yung 3 kasi pandemic na.
Bruh.
So, we ordered this margarita. I don't know if... And then,
Gold juice ako.
this one. And then garlic bread. And then, for drinks. Pepsi ako pa. So, ito, in-order namin. Margarita, 2 of them, I think. And then pepperoni. Tapos, ewan ko, bumili ng garlic bread. Tapos na kami kumain. Trisha, bakit ba tayo nandito? Ano bang ganap? Bakit tayo lumabas? Huh? Bakit? Ay. Huh? I don't know. Kasi graduation na po ni Krishna nung Tuesday. Kumusta yung sats mo? Kumusta yung sats pa? Ano masasabi mo sa sats ni Krishna?
Ano sabi mo ate sa sats mo?
Ha? Sure. Ikaw pa, what's your comment? Is it good? Good, bad, middle. Let's see. Year 7 na siya sa Mount Saints. Ate, stop shoving it in my face! Meron akong picture.
Uh-oh.
Pero di natin papakita. Kasi that's confidential.
Oh my God.
Uh-oh.
Wait, how's your son's experience? So bad. Ay, ano bang ginagawa? I was at the back. Like, paano siya nakaset up? Like, sa pertimate mo, 1 percentage siya. Tapos, may time kayo? Ulit ka na. Ayaw mo. Ganyan na sa
30 minutes for like 50 pages.
30 minutes na.
Yeah, for 50 pages. For maths, pwedeng bagsak na po doon. Pwedeng bagsak.
What? Ah, naglalaglag ka ng info. Sa kanya na po nagsabi na bagsak siya sa maths.
Because of the time.
So you're blaming the time?
Yes, I'm blaming the time.
Why?
Can you shut up? You even said, oh, it is 30 minutes now.
Kasi sa GCSE, I just finished my GCSE. Nakukuha ko yung result this August 22. 24? 22. So, nakabahan ako kasi kailangan ko ng 6 sa science para makakuha ako ng biology and chemistry. Tapos 6 sa maths para makakuha ko A-level grades.
Oh no!
Ilan minutes yung maths exam mo?
Minutes?
30 minutes, no?
Yeah.
Sa amin naman, 1 hour and 15. Pero 100 marks.
Yeah. That's not fair.
Bruh.
Tignan lang natin yung result. Sabi daw ni Papa, i-vlog niya. Ewan ko lang. Tapos with same day na results day ko, mag-enroll ako. Sana makuha. So, punta na kami sa bowling. Pa, may mini-interview dito. In-interview ko si Krishna.
Good yan.
Sabi ko, how's your SATS experience? Kasi di pala naka-record. No? Sabi, wala, umirap. Bagsak ako. You know, arcades siya, tapos may bowling. Kasi, okay naman siya sa maths, hindi lang siya nag-aas ng help. Shut up.
Shut up!
6. Oh, just one game then.
Isang game, 46 pounds.
46 pala. Bakit din pala?
Isang game?
Yeah.
Lahat na tayo, ha?
Oo.
Ang mura na yun.
46? Mura na pala.
Mura na nga yun.
Mura na pala.
Akala ko ba mayaman ka pa? Sunod-sunod yung order mo kahapon, ha? Tapos nagreklamo ko sa 46 pounds. Kasi kahapon, yung dinner namin, Wingstop, 2 beses siya nagpa-deliver. Tapos nagpa-deliver pa siya ng donut. So, we finish. Tapos na kami mag-bowling, guys. Mag-ano na kami. Actually, may nakita kaming laser zone. And then, nag-ask kami kung magkano yung laser. Ano yun? Yung inas natin?
Laser tag.
Ha?
Laser tag.
Laser tag. Tapos, £9.50 siya per person. Pero 1 game. Siguro next time, pupunta kami dyan. Pero wala na kasing time kasi dumating yung PC ko. Diba? Shut up.
Shut up! Shut up!
Bruh.
Tapos, pumunta kami na. Saan tayo pupunta? Wala lang. Ukay-ukay. Trip shop. Harper!
Wait a minute.
Guys, you see the sun in front of me. What? Do you want to see it? What? Nasabi ko sa'yo, Papa, i-include mo dapat to sa vlog mo.
Oh no!
Nakakagigil ka. Alas man ang buwanga mo, ha?
Dapat i-include na to. Magko-comment ako kapag hindi mo in-include. Sarap. Show off! Show off!
Bruh.
Ano pa? Nagbo-book na ng Uber because we're going home. And we're gonna set up my piece.
Nice.
Okay.
Guys, I have my PC na.
Sarap. Show off! Show off!
You got me going into overdrive. Too busy, can you leave a message? You got me wrapped around in summertime. Yeah, yeah. I need to know we'll fall in love right here and now. Call me up whenever you feel
Guys, pakitulong naman oh.
Stimulate your mind, we can take it slow. You got me going crazy now. Cause you're on my mind.
Can you say that? You will play there?
Ate, wala mo. Siyempre, hindi ko unang gagamit. Ako na. Ay! Ay!
Put him up, put him up. I guess we'll never know it. Put him up, put him up. No second thoughts, just let me change your mind.
So ako na yung mag-aayos. Mang-mang na eh.
No lucky strikes, you're on the taste. To be in my zone. So show me something just a little
May button dyan sa taas.
I'm always ready, so just tell me when. Call me up whenever you're feeling low. Stimulate your mind, we can take it slow. You got me going crazy now. Falling into you.
Hi.
You're on my mind.
Minecraft.
Put him up, put him up.
Naset up na siya pero hindi ko gusto. Kasi ang message mo.
Anong oras tayo umuwi?
4. 5. Magti 3 hours na po kami dito, guys. Actually, 3 hours. Kasi 8, mag-8 na.